Hi, hello, my name is Erica Irvin. I'm the creator of Modern Youngster and the Clarity of Chaos program, and today we're going to do a tutorial. So if you have tight hips, you want to stick around for just a few more minutes. I promise this is going to make all the difference in the world. Maybe you're having some back issues because of your tight hips, IT issues. We're going to work that out. And if you sit a lot, if you work out a lot, if you're a runner, stay with me. I want to show you this particular stretch. Now this stretch is dragon pose, we call in yin yoga. And I'm quite sure most of you have probably seen this before. However, the way that we are going to stretch in this pose is very different than what you might do in a regular stretch. So we're going to start in a lunge, all right? So with that said, let's take 1 foot forward. You'll do this on both sides, of course. And then we're going to allow the hips to drop down. Now, we don't really want to kind of really dump into the hips, but at the same time, we don't want to hold up nice and strong because that kind of defeats the purpose. What we want to do is let go of muscle so that we can get into the soft tissue and really start to loosen that up. And so if your knee goes a little over the ankle, it's okay. We're not moving. It helps the Achilles a little bit more, but use your own judgment here as to where you want your body to be. We are allowing gravity to let the hips press down to the ground. Now you can always place something underneath the knee, even in the front part of the thigh here, to kind of give you a little extra hold while you're just hanging out here. Now in yin, guys, we hold for time. So focus on holding this pose, starting with a minute. Deep breaths and see how that works for you. Now I will tell you, when we hold for time, we have an opportunity to get more deeply into a posture, more deep than you probably have with just holding for breath count. So let go, let it be. You can drop the head or you can lift it. There are a lot of different variations to this pose. We discuss a lot of those variations in the online membership. But for now, really guys, this is what you need. Your hips are always coming forward when your leg, is coming forward when you squat, right? We want to do the opposite. We want to lengthen it back. When you run, same thing, the leg comes forward, tightening up the psoas. We want to lengthen it, and that's what we are going to do here. So you will hold for a period of time. Then to come out of it, things may feel sticky in the hip. That's okay. You gently press back. Flex the foot, lengthen the spine. Again, guys, try to let go. This is one of those postures where you are going to feel space being created. And sometimes it's not really all that comfortable, but that's okay. So long as you don't feel fire or lightning anywhere in the body, keep going, but do use your judgment as to when you need to slowly come out of this. I always say, come out and go in with sloth-like speed. All right, so then we draw the front leg back, and it is the other leg's turn. You definitely want to do both sides for this, all right? So dragon pose. Again, it is a lunge, but it's done in the yin way of stretching, which is very different than just a regular stretch when you're holding muscle to help hold you up. So I hope this was helpful. If you found this helpful and you want more tutorials, please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm trying to grow it. I would appreciate your help, but also this is for you, all right? There's a lot of great tutorials to help you continue or get to the point where you're very comfortable and at ease in your body. And if you're a competitive runner, if you're a competitive CrossFitter, you have to incorporate stretches like this into your day, into every day, to increase your performance, to help balance out the yang, that doing, that activity, with some yin, some passivity. So questions, please comment below, and keep an eye out. Every Tuesday I'll release a new tutorial. And also don't forget, on Wednesdays at 2 o'clock, I also do a midweek refocus to help us just zone back in and give the last part of the week a kick in the ass. All right, guys, see y'all later. Bye.